equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Start by unplugging your Dyson HD03 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart to access the internal components. Inside, you will see the cable connected to the motor. Take a moment to inspect the cable for any visible damage. If you find any frays or breaks, it's time to replace it. To do this, use your wire cutters to carefully snip the old cable, ensuring you leave enough length to work with. Now, take your new cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. You'll want to connect these wires to the motor terminals. Make sure to match the colors correctly. Typically, the live wire is brown and the neutral wire is blue. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the wires are connected, secure them with electrical tape to prevent any short circuits. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align it carefully and replace the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tight and secure. Before you finish, it's a good idea to clean the internal components of your Dyson. Use a soft cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. After cleaning, plug your Dyson back in and test the new cable by turning it on. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HD03. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Plus, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. Finally, always ensure your tools are stored safely and that you dispose of any old parts responsibly. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your Dyson, keeping it in top condition for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.